Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with a little bonus video today. I want to congratulate Archana Joshi for the 10th anniversary of her crafting store, Crafty City. So, yeah, she's celebrating her 10th anniversary, and she's doing so with a hop. Now, I have to apologize because I have completely messed up my part of this hop thing. I didn't realize, well, I just didn't get what I was supposed to do. And so now our Chana knows who she's dealing with here. But anyway, I still wanted to come on today and share all the info with you. And then I will be doing a project with this beautiful kit. I will be doing that on April 5th. So you'll find that video on that day. So let me tell you a little bit about what she's got going here. Let's see. So, first of all, if you visit her shop, which is CraftyCity.com, and I'll put a link in the description box, of course. But really all the information from this will be in the description box. So please go look at that. I'm going to kind of go over it, but if you read it for yourself, you'll probably do better than I did when I was trying to set this up. So anyway, one of the exciting things is if you go over to her shop, she's got a 10% discount if you put the code in Gayle, Gayle 10. And that's exciting, not only because you get 10% off, but Archana will be able to see how many of my viewers came over to her shop, which would help me greatly in my apologies to her about messing this part up. I was supposed to post this, by the time I get it up, it'll be about 5 hours ago. So, but anyway, all that to say, I wanted to support her. She's got a great shop, and she was new to me when she contacted me, and so I wanted to share her shop with you guys too. So, okay, so let's talk then about the giveaway that Archana is doing over there too. So, to participate in winning a prize, you must be 18 years of age or older, and you must comment and subscribe to all 9 channels. And I don't know, maybe I'm included in that 9, but I don't know if I'm actually going to be included. So just in case, put enter me in the comments. So if you're going to comment to this video, start it with enter me, okay? And then when you go over to the other channels, leave a comment that says enter me in that one too, in all of those other channels too. So let's see. Yes, you must comment and subscribe to all 9 channels. Go back to Archana's channel and comment enter me. Oh, okay. So I guess you only have to maybe comment on her channel. Sorry. See, I really have been, it's all been a little bit much for my brain. Okay, so here we go. Get a chance to win 1 free kit, and there will be 2 winners for a random kit and 1 international winner of a $25 CraftyCity Gift voucher, excluding shipping. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. Winners can be chosen from any of the channels. So what I said at the beginning was right. Put enter me in the comments of all the channels. Oh, she says, I think I mentioned 9 in the video, but there are only 8. That's because your pal Gayle messed up. So anyway, but in the comments, still put enter me. I'll send the link to this to Archana right away, and hopefully, I don't know. But just do your comments on all the other channels, and you'll be entered and be fine. Okay. yeah, so anyway, my little code will be Gail10. So please do put that. I would feel so much better if Archana knew that a whole bunch of people from my channel came over, because I did such a bad job of all of this. I'll do a better job on the project on April 5th, I promise. Okay. So, let's see. I don't know what that last paragraph means. I'm sorry, Archana. We are not on the same wavelength. Okay. And now I want to show you what I'll be working with. Archana has all kinds of really cool kits and all sorts of good merchandise in her CraftyCity.com shop. So that's the main thing for you to know, is lots of fun stuff to play with. And she's giving you 10% off. Okay, so let's take a look. The paper that she sent me is Renke.com, AlexandraRenke.com. So she sent the paper. She also sent this wonderful washi. I absolutely love this. Let me get it up to the camera. Can you see how pretty? It's this same pattern as this top page. And there's a chipboard high tea. There are flowers. There are some really pretty buttons. Love this one of this little girl. There's some flowers and ribbon. She sent a little, it's like a little notebook. This is not what my project's going to be. I had thought of a project already, but this will be fun to do something with at another point in time. And then I just wanted to flip through the paper. It's one-sided, but oh, this is my favorite piece. I love that. And then there's this with the buckets of flowers. These are little journaling cards, which are going to be perfect for the project I have in mind. We've got butterflies, which you could fussy cut these out, as well as, you know, use the paper in a couple colors. And then here's where the tea comes in. There's teacups and pitchers and such. And then she added, this is a Julie Nutting French flea market paper that goes perfectly with. So that's the kit. As I said, I apologize with my whole heart, Archana. I really didn't understand what I was supposed to be doing. I'm just a rookie, I guess. So I hope this isn't, I mean, you guys are still going to see it, and you're still going to know about her shop, which is the main thing, I feel like. And then please check out all the other channels. They were mostly new to me too. So that's fun too. So you'll discover some new people. So once again, it's CraftyCity's or CraftyCity.com. Put it in the description box. All the other links to the other people doing this hop will be in the description box as well. And please go over, check her out, and use Gail 10 to get 10% off. And let Archana know that I'm not the worst person in the world. Jeez. I apologize, Archana. I don't know. Life has gotten in the way or something. I don't know. I just didn't understand what I was supposed to do. So I hope this will suffice. And sending love and appreciation to all my subbies. I really appreciate you going over and checking her out. So happy 10th anniversary, Archana and Crafty City. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.